It's a certified 2016 Chrysler Town & Country. Make the most of every trip with the versatility and efficiency of the world's most trusted minivan, the Chrysler Town & Country. It's well equipped with features you need. Entertainment system with Blu-ray and digital media. Uconnect with Bluetooth. Dual zone climate control. Auto-dimming rear view mirror. 3 12-volt power outlets. Manual tilting steering column. Multi-speed automatic transmission. Aluminum wheels. Sport suspension. And power tilt-down heated mirrors. Chrysler, where top-flight engineering meets affordable luxury. If you've been waiting for the perfect time for a test drive, the time is now. Experience it today.
At Arizona Car Sales, the price you see is the best upfront price, and you don't have to negotiate for it. Get the car, truck, or SUV you want and experience the Arizona Car Sales difference today.